So you have a place up in the mountains, and it actually provides you with two experiences. One is the chalet experience. That's where you're laying by the fire and drinking wine and watching a movie or reading a book, enjoying a nice meal and socializing and having people over and having that sort of really après-ski experience. The other one is that when the morning comes, you get on your gear and you head outside and you have that alpine experience and you spend the whole day outside skiing, enjoying nature, and so on and so forth. In an ideal setting, it happens through the mudroom. But if you're coming in with wet gear, all of that wet gear from the alpine experience is spreading itself out through the condo, and now your chalet experience is compromised because you're sitting here having a glass of wine, reading a book, and you got a pair in front of a nice fire with a pair of stinky boots drying off. The Williams Direct Dryer in the mudroom allows us to localize that transition to the mudroom. So now you can have a pure chalet experience in here with your friends or with your family, and you can have a wonderful alpine experience. And the transition between those two is really localized in the mudroom and around the Williams Direct Dryer.